Ever wondered how some accounts blow out overnight? I found the tool that makes it happen. It's called Peakerr. And here's how it looks like. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Peakerr. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is an all-in-one social media marketing panel that is designed to help the creators, the marketers, the freelancers, and the community builders to boost visibility, the engagement, and their digital growth. And guys, stay tuned because I will show you the actual thing when you are logged in and all the services that are available. And guys, that will definitely blow your mind. So guys, it supports major platforms just like YouTube. You have TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. And Peakerr, guys, offers a super powerful toolkit for those that are looking to scale their presence and their impact online. Now, for content creators and influencers, Peakerr is delivering fast and affordable engagement, and it is ideal for testing videos, growing niche pages, or scaling shorts and reels. Now, guys, services are delivered instantly, okay, with their real-time order tracking tool. And that is what makes it a favorite for YouTubers, your TikTokers, and Instagram creators that are looking for reliable reach. And I'm pretty sure that this is also being used by those influencers that have made it to the top. They have to start somewhere. And of course, they were able to make those quality contents. And with the help of the social media marketing boosting services like this, they are able to reach those audiences that are hard to reach by small content creators. Now, guys, marketers and bloggers use Peakerr to drive traffic and boost SEO through social proof. And guys, they are also able to enhance overall content visibility. So white label options make it especially valuable for resellers and agencies that are serving multiple clients. And guys, freelancers as well as group admins also are benefiting from Peakerr's reliable service. So whether growing Facebook or Telegram communities or basically managing client campaigns, this platform offers API access, 99.99% uptime, and then round-the-clock support, all that are essential for delivering results at scale. I will be showing the clean and user-friendly dashboard in a bit, so Peakerr makes it easy to manage multiple campaigns, filtered by platform, and track order history, so users will never need to share account credentials. Now, global reach, hundreds of service types, custom packages, as well as no geo restrictions makes Peakerr a flexible solution for any digital growth goal. So guys, for creators like me, digital hustlers, and freelance marketers, Peakerr is the growth engine you have been missing for quite some time now. And this is something that you want to take advantage now because you already know the secret of the top influencers out there that made it to the top. Of course, make sure that you are creating top-notch, really quality contents. This will definitely be very, very handy. And let me go ahead and sign in for you guys. All right, so when you are logged in already, you have the new orders here, you have the services. You could go ahead and check that one out as well, and you could also search. Okay, I'll show you some of these later on, but I am really excited to show you how much. Look at that. So you have YouTube views, IG followers, SMM provider, TikTok, IG views, likes, and all that. So you got everything right there. So you have a YouTube live stream, you have views, you have subscribers, you have comments, custom comments, live streams, and all that. I would leave it all up to you guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So you could create your account and explore. I'm pretty sure whatever you need, if you're in TikTok or YouTube or Facebook, you got it all here. You have Instagram as well. You even have WhatsApp, you have LinkedIn, you have Twitch. Okay. Everything about social media is here. Okay. So here are services. It will show you all that. You have the pricing scale, rate per 100, minimum order. You have maximum order, average times of completion for that one. You have the description. Okay. You have your orders. Okay. So if you have placed your order it will all appear here. Okay, subscriptions. So if you click on that one, you have all of that here. Drip feed. You will also be able to do drip feeds, and you have your refills right here. And of course, if you want to add funds, you will be able to do that here. And they are using Cryptomus. So the bigger the amount that you will be entering, the bigger the bonus that you will get. All right. So you have Cryptomus, you have Binance Pay, you have Peakerr, you have Checkout.com, Payout, Pelican. You have a lot of different payment methods that you could use. And this ticket right here, very, very useful. Okay, so if you have questions, if you have any concerns or anything like that, so this is what you will be using to coordinate with the developers. Okay, you have the API, you have the affiliates as well. All right, hold on, let me go back. You have the affiliates, okay? You have the child panel, and you also have the mass order right here. So again, guys, make sure to go ahead and give this a check. This will definitely be very, very helpful for you. Continue to make quality content, guys. Head on over to Peakerr. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And of course, if you are new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.